welcome to episode 1 of Refraction Magic. Today I am going to teach you how to do a magic trick using the properties of refraction. So, for this experiment, you will need a transparent container, you will need a vessel filled with water, you will also need a coin. Thank you, Pi. And of course, this is my lovely assistant, Pi. So, Pi, are you ready to get started? Okay, so first for this magic trick, you will take your coin. You will place it in the center of a table. Right now, let's think about the light. It's traveling from its light source. It is reflecting or bouncing off of the coin back to you. That's why you can see it at all. Again, you are going to take your transparent container. You should be thinking, what do I already know about what happens to light when it crosses the boundary between two transparent medium? I'm going to bring this in closer so that you can see our coin. So right now you can see our coin, and then Pi, what you're going to do is you're going to take our water and slowly pour it into the jar. Yes, go ahead, you can get started. And I want you to notice what happens as Pi pours the water into the container. What did you notice happening to the coin? Right, Pi? It looks like it completely disappeared. But did the coin actually disappear? It just looks like it disappeared at a certain angle because of the properties of refraction. You can try this experiment at home using any coin, maybe a penny, any other flat object, maybe a ring, and impress your friends and families with refraction magic. But of course, we know that it's not actually magic, it's science. Bye.